Welcome back. In today's class, you will learn the use of cameras and microphones on smartphones and computers without internet connectivity. Using cameras and microphones on smartphones and computers is essential for various tasks, from video calls to capturing your photos. Wondering how to use the camera on a smartphone? I'll tell you. First, you can access Camera app. Tap on the Camera app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. 1. 2. Take photos and videos. Aim the camera at the subject and tap the shutter button on the screen or press the physical volume buttons to capture a photo. 3. Switch modes. Swipe left or right to switch between different camera modes like photo, video, or portrait, etc. 4. Adjust settings. Tap on the settings icon to adjust options like flash, HDR, timer, etc. Also wondering how to use the microphone on smartphones? Let's get into it. 1. Voice commands. If your phone supports voice commands, activate it by saying the trigger phrase. For instance, "Hey Google" for Google Assistant. 2. Voice recording. Use a voice recording app, built-in or third-party, to record audio. Open the app, tap the record button, and start speaking. Now, how to use a camera on a computer? It's simple. 1. Access Camera app. On Windows, search for and open the Camera app from the Start menu. On Mac OS, launch the Photo Booth app. 2. Take photos and videos. Click on the shutter button to capture photos and videos. You can usually switch between photos and video mode within the app. 3. Adjust settings. Look for options within the app to adjust settings like resolution, exposure, etc. How to use microphones and computers for voice recording, voice commands, and many more. 1. Voice commands. If your computer supports voice commands, activate it using the built-in assistant. For example, Cortana on Windows, Siri on Mac. 2. Voice recording. Use a voice recording software, built-in or third-party. On Windows, you can use Voice Recorder, while on Mac, you can use QuickTime Player or GarageBand. Be sure to grant the necessary permission for apps. Be sure to grant the necessary permissions for apps to access camera and microphone on both smartphones and computers. Always be mindful of your privacy and security when using these features. We've come to the end of this class. See you in the next class.